Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Today we're going to talk about Celsius. All right, let's get right into it. I got a new webcam, y'all. All right, Celsius is a generational buying opportunity. Okay, here's why. All right, Celsius is currently trading at a market cap of $11.5 billion. Now, the PE looks pretty expensive here, but let me explain why this is a generational buying opportunity. All right, Monster Energy, guys. $75 billion market cap. So you do the math, pretty simple math right here. 11.5 over 75. Boom! Celsius is only trading 15% the size of Monster right now. All right, you go to TikTok. Celsius, 6.6 million followers, guys. That is massive. Look at their videos. Their videos do massive numbers. Monster, 4.7 million followers. Now, when you think about energy drinks, you're thinking about workers, people that are getting things done. You know, a lot of people, the Latino community especially, loves Monster. Every night, the hardworking guys that are doing, all the work in construction, roofing, anything, they're always getting Monster. Very popular with workers. All right. But Celsius is a new cool kid on the block. All right. Celsius is capturing the college students, the hardworking tech bros, people that are essentially the younger people. Maybe they're not the hardworking guys that are in construction like Monster has captured, but they're capturing the younger, kind of people like myself who might work in a field that is a bit more. I'm a DJ, right? So it's a bit more, poppy and whatnot. But they're really doing a good job. 6.6 million on TikTok versus 4.7. And you would think that Monster should have 7 times of more followers based on the market cap, but actually they have less followers and less likes. And Celsius has recently become a lot more popular, but they've been around for a while, right? So I believe that Celsius, simply on social media followers alone, is undervalued. Not only that, but their actual growth in the company has a long ways to go. And we look at the financial statements, CELH, Yahoo Finance. All right. You just simply go to the financials and it's insane. Their financials are doing extremely well. We've gone double the revenue in 2021 to 2022 and double from there, 2023. And our trailing 12 months here is massive. They're doubling. They're going at a crazy rate. And not only that, but if you look at the balance sheet here, there was or maybe it was the income statement. Right here. The other income expense. This is something that Pepsi actually paid for the Alani, I believe. The Alani had a distribution agreement that Pepsi actually paid for, but it's on the Celsius balance sheet. And so this is something that Algos saw and sold off. And really, Celsius is in a great spot, I believe. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but this company sold off right here, down heavily off of some information that was relatively misleading, I would say. And so a company that has more followers than its competitor, Monster, Pepsi actually acquired even more of the company. So how much of Celsius does Pepsi own? Check it out. 11%. Pepsi owns 11%. They doubled down. They got even more. And not only does Celsius have Alani Nu, which is popular with women, and they also have Rockstar Energy. So I'm very interested in seeing what Rockstar Energy does. They had a 10% market share in 2020. Obviously, they've been kind of not doing much now, but I think Celsius could really do a lot with Rockstar Energy to make it a cool brand again, make it trending on their social media. They have a great connection with the younger generation. So, there's my investment thesis on Celsius, guys. I'm friends with a guy that owns a drink shop, and he's a really big believer in Celsius as well. So, a drink shop owner, I'm friends with a gym owner. He really loves the Celsius. They always are selling those out. But, of course, Monster's still popular, but is it really worth 7 times more than Celsius? I don't think so, guys. I think this is a generational buying opportunity. Celsius, not financial advice, guys, but I'm going to be doubling down on my Celsius position. Right now, I've only got 1 share, but I'm going to buy some more shares personally. I've been trading it a bit, but I think it's definitely worth a look, guys. All right. Peace.